Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by confirming you're signed into the correct account, and that two-step authentication won't block restores. Once done, check that backups exist, cloud, local export, or app archive, and note the backup date. Stop using the device immediately to minimize data overwrite. This preserves deleted fragments. If an app offers a protected archive, export it now. You'll need the most recent valid backup file or a device image to continue. Make sure it's accessible before proceeding. You now pick a restoration path, restore from cloud or import a local backup file. For cloud, sign in and select the backup date, then preview and restore messages. For local files, connect the device to a trusted computer and import the backup. If direct restore fails, use a recovery tool to image the device or extract the app database. This recovers message fragments and attachments. Make sure to run tools as administrator and keep backups read-only, so you don't accidentally change timestamps or corrupt data. You finish by verifying message integrity. Check senders, timestamps, and attachments. Once confirmed, export or rebackup the recovered conversations to a secure location. If items are missing, try alternate backups, older snapshots, or deeper forensic imaging. These can reveal data fragments that ordinary restores miss. If a restore corrupted threads, revert and retry with a different method. Key troubleshooting tip: avoid any writes to the device after failure. If you can't recover, consult a data recovery professional to prevent further loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.